Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you a simple and free method to unlock any phone from any carrier, even if it's not fully paid off. No more expensive unlock fees or shady third-party services. We've got the solution you've been looking for. So grab your phone and insert an unsupported SIM card. That means a SIM card from a carrier other than your original one. After powering up your phone, you'll receive a message asking for an unlock code. Once you enter the code, your phone will be fully unlocked and ready to use with any carrier. I will show you how to obtain this unlock code, absolutely free. And if you have a carrier app installed on your phone, unlocking it will be even easier. You won't need an unlock code. Instead, you'll simply wait for a message in the carrier app indicating that your phone has been unlocked. Here's the best part. You can unlock your phone for free on this website. Just follow the instructions here, and you'll unlock your phone for free using a simple method. Thanks for being with us. Until next time, take care.